What's going on, guys? Chum Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. Today I need to start cleaning up because I guess we're going to be expecting snow at some point this week. So I got to get these solar panels all disconnected from these Galvy fence posts. You guys know how I had these standing up over where my solar shed is now. If you guys don't know, go check those videos out. But I do need to unbolt these, get them all stacked up inside the shed so they're kind of just not sitting out here and going to be covered in snow and then be frozen to the ground. That'll be a total nightmare, and I got to clean up all this BS because this was all part of that entire setup. Yeah, and then we got to figure out a plan on getting my solar panels, the new ones that I just purchased, on top of this shed and mounted hopefully before it snows. I don't know if that's going to happen because it's only like 2 days away from snow, but I have been preparing for it, as you can see, trying to get this snowblower started again. I think I need a new spark plug. I'm gonna go grab one of those later on today. But these are the new panels I just got, and I got them all loaded in here in the last video. This is from Signature Solar. Shout out to them. If you guys are interested in any solar stuff, go check them out. They're still having a Black Friday sale and probably a Cyber Monday sale, so that could be a good deal for you guys to go check it out. Use code ChumpChangeXD for $50 off your first order. And yeah, that's gonna be coming up in the near future. So right now what I got to do is I need to get some stuff out of my basement into here. I got to get those solar panels, again, like I just said, over and into this section because this section's empty. There's nothing in here. I'm just going to load them in here, and all that other shit that's over there, probably just stack it in here for the time being until at least the winter's over, and then we'll deal with it. But yeah, that's really all that I got going on right there. And then I do want to get some red racks in here. I want to get some shit out of my basement, get it all just kind of thrown in here, because right now this is just going to be a catch-all until springtime. When I get in here, I'll be able to work in here and do what I got to do. But I do want to get that solar stuff buttoned up, or hooked up. That way I can get the wires ran over to the solar trailer. We can get twice the amount of sunlight going into there for power. You guys know I got that solar pergola that's been working out perfectly, and yeah, that's definitely something I would like to do, is get some more power into this solar shed. I do have a decent amount of stuff running today. It is pretty sunny out. The batteries are pretty much charged at this point. I probably got to turn some more stuff on, but I'm pulling 2173 from the solar setup as of right now. Everything is completely off grid in this trailer. I got the new EDG1M, I think that's what that's called. The Dogecoin Litecoin miner in the server rack style. Just made a video on that. If you guys haven't seen it, go check that out, because that's pretty a sick unit, actually. It's definitely profitable for a home miner, which is pretty awesome. Shout out to Gold Shell for that. Use code CHUMP for 20% off, actually. It's like $600 off. It's amazing on any of the E-Series models. I do have the Lithium box miner, the Doge Mini 3 going, the AL0s going, and probably some other stuff. I totally forget what I actually turned on today, though. But yeah, we'll get some of that stuff going. I do want to get, again, the other solar panels hooked up to the other 6000 XP. You can see how the current pergola is hooked up here. The other one's going to be hooked up here, and then I'm going to turn on this unit, this other 6000 XP, for them to run in parallel, which would be amazing. I've never done that yet, and I'm very excited to get that running. And then eventually we're going to end up ripping this all apart and taking this into the solar trailer and getting everything pretty much out of this trailer. I think that's going to be my plan. I haven't fully decided yet, so don't quote me on that. But nonetheless, I need to get going on disassembling all these panels. So you guys are going to see these all in that shed in 3, 2, 1. So 2 hours later, this is what we got. Man, I forgot how much work I put into building all of those. It's absolutely crazy, but they're all done. I got 20 panels. Again, they're all 100 watts a piece and 12 volts. So yeah, this is actually, is it 12 volts? I think they are. Sorry, 21 volts. Thought about it a little bit more, because it was 80 volts or so for 4 of them in a square pattern that I had them in, or the rectangle pattern on these poles that I had them in. So yeah, 21 volts a piece, 100 watts. Let me know what you guys think I should do with these. Should I sell them, or you think I should actually reuse them? I'm really debating on what to do, but I'm gonna wait till the springtime regardless, because I need to wash those all down, get them all clean, and then I'll figure out what the hell I'm gonna do with them. But yeah, the sun is already like almost going down, which sucks. It's only like 4 in the afternoon, and it's gonna be dark in like an hour. So I want to get some more stuff out here, but I think I'm gonna get screwed. So what we're gonna do is probably just have to get back to all this in the morning, because I don't really think I'm gonna have much of a choice if the sun goes down. I want to just clean up this metal over here and try to finish this stuff up. These poles I'm actually just gonna shove under the shed because I don't really care about them. It's a carport. I'm actually throwing out the tarp part to it, so is what it is. All right, we did it. And I actually beat the sun going down. I'm kind of shocked. It only took me about an hour, and I actually went inside, and it was way earlier than I thought it was. It was only like 2:30 when I recorded last. I thought it was like already close to 4 o'clock. All right, looking right here, I just kind of stuffed the carport stuff under here, all the poles and stuff, because why not? I mean, it's open and it's space that I don't need to take up inside my shed. I kind of just put this this is actually like a dethatcher thing for my lawn that like takes up all the dead grass and shit. I'm just sticking it there for now. It's literally been outside in the snow forever. And then I just got these 4 buckets. I'm probably gonna smash these up and take the poles out at some point and just throw the buckets away and bury the concrete. That's gonna be the plan, I believe. I just gotta get this stuff inside the shed, push my snowblower back in there, but I gotta work on that tomorrow, so I don't know. Anyways, that's really it. I got everything all situated. So yeah, if you guys are interested again in any solar stuff, like the new stuff I got from Signature Solar, don't forget, go check out the deals they have going on right now for well, Black Friday already passed, but Cyber Monday, which is today when you guys see this video. And yeah, my link will be down in the pinned comment. So anyways, we'll be getting these things on the roof real soon. The brackets are over there. You guys saw those in the last video. If you didn't, go check it out. And until next time, I'll catch you guys real soon. Peace out.